Hello, Marina. Ready for another fascinating dive into the world of multimodal AI?
Absolutely, Vincent. I've got my notepad ready. So, what's our first stop today?
Well, I'm thrilled to share that Hilton has teamed up with Be My Eyes to redefine the travel experience for blind and low vision guests.
Wait, really? That's amazing. Could you tell us a bit more about how it works?
Certainly. Essentially, guests can access AI powered visual support through the Be My Eyes app, which is further backed up by Hilton's dedicated customer care teams. It's truly an inspiring example of how AI is making the world more accessible and inclusive.
Wow, that's really inspiring indeed. What about Vision AI? Any breakthroughs?
Yes, several. Here's the first one, the Eyebot. It's an AI-powered kiosk that can give you a vision prescription in just 90 seconds.
Just 90 seconds? That sounds incredibly efficient.
It certainly is. Plus, there are the Journey Lens smart glasses that offer tailored AR experiences without compromising on privacy.
AI integrated smart glasses. Now that's really something. But the one I'm really interested in is this thing about real time face swapping on webcams. Isn't that potentially risky?
Absolutely, Marina, that's a brilliant observation. Deep Live Cam, the software in question, can indeed pose a risk. Although the tech is fast developing, its ability to deceive others remotely is concerning.
So, it's a bit of a double-edged sword then. But speaking of voices, I heard something about ChatGPT having a voice mode.
Yes, that's correct. TikTok users in particular are having a ball exploring its dialect and vocal mimicry capabilities.
That sounds like fun. Any other cool applications of voice AI?
Yes, actually, AI is now helping ALS patients like April Kerner regain their voice and with it the joy of personal communication and storytelling.
Oh, wow. That's definitely a feel-good story right there. Now, any interesting tools or models that caught your eye?
Many actually, but particularly fascinating are the new AI apps from Meta, Google, TikTok, and Amazon that are completely reinventing e-commerce video.
Right. I remember reading about how Google's Vertex AI offers some pretty advanced multimodal capabilities.
Precisely. Whether it's generating video content or providing interactive audio features, these tools are truly game-changing for businesses.
So, basically, AI is not just for the tech wizards anymore. Anyone can leverage it now.
You hit the nail on the head, Marina. And it's not just big companies either. Startups like Reality Defender are doing some commendable work as well, especially in the field of deepfake detection.
Oh yeah, we've definitely needed a good solution for deepfakes. It seems like AI is making some significant inroads in science as well.
Absolutely. For instance, Thermo Fisher is introducing a multimodal analytical STM that integrates EELs for unparalleled atomic level insights.
Well, if that isn't pushing boundaries, I don't know what is. But I do remember something about Meta's movie gen, was it?
Yes, indeed. Blumhouse has tested this AI technology on a few short films with filmmakers like Casey Affleck, Anish Chaganty, and the Spurlock sisters.
AI stepping into the world of filmmaking now, huh? That's exciting.
It certainly is. Also, Vision AI is greatly improving shopping experiences thanks to platforms like Sony's Iatrios.
So it's pretty clear AI is making a big splash everywhere. What a time to be alive!
Indeed, Marina, and remember, these trends are the future knocking on our doors.
Absolutely. Can't wait to see what the next week brings. Thanks for the enlightening conversation, Vincent.
My pleasure, Marina. Looking forward to our next chat about all things multimodal AI.